You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8. Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute.
And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom. Right there. Good afternoon, everybody, and happy Monday afternoon, baby. What's cracking? If you're with me, drop a WL or mid. I want to know how you're feeling. Let me know how you're feeling right about now. Let me know. How we doing? WL or mid. We got some W's in chat. Got mostly W's in chat. Yeah. Gold trying to duplicate? Ah, dude, I don't even have gold up. Let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, well, I don't know. Yeah, it looks a little dicey. Too thin. Too thin for my liking. What's cracking, people? What do we have? Irvis, C-Money, Wander Futures, Uncle Bees, Joe Arrow, HTO Junkie, Morals, Toussaint, Count Joe Money, Habuka, KS, Roxrod, Jordan, Purple Tip. What's up? Orange, Cape, Ripsmod. What's cracking, baby? What's happening, everybody? Damn, I look away for 1 second. The market was going down. Now it's going straight up. My goodness. That's crazy. I looked away for 1 second.
Should we try to ride this momentum? We're at the previous tippy-toppy area right now. 63 is the level to watch in the S&Ps. Momentum and GLOBEX just don't go hand in hand. That's the problem. Payout from Lucid hit in like 45 seconds, dude. That's sick. Let's go. Coach Steves, you better find out what's happening. What are you talking about? Better find out why. This is that. What are you talking about, bro? The lady. What? I'm so confused, bro. Way over my head, dog. No idea what the hell you're talking about. No fucking clue, bro. Let me get some of whatever you're puffing on, though. Sorry, man, wrong box. Dude, I hate when that happens. I tried to explain that to my wife one night. Sorry, honey, it was the wrong box. I tripped and fell right in there. My bad. Yeah, it doesn't work, dude. I tried it. It doesn't work at all. Don't try that shit. It doesn't work, man. It doesn't work at all. When do you think prop firms will be illegal? Tomorrow. There's a hearing on Capitol Hill. They're illegalizing all props. The fuck? Did you just like eat a bowl of negative shit face or something? Hey, bro, when do you think props are gonna be fucking illegal? I don't know, man. What the fuck? Good afternoon, everybody. What the fuck got into the water today? You got Steve over here tripping and falling in another woman's box. You got Invengineer. What do you think probably illegal? Never. Well, we started off strong. Who's next? What do we got next? If props become illegal, Ripsy's gonna have to trade the Percy again for an empty stream. I mean, I do still trade the Percy. I just don't stream it. Nah, but if props ever get restricted, you know, there's gonna be something else that takes its place, or people are gonna have to trade their own money. I know. We'll lose a lot of people in the community because it's very expensive, but hopefully things will get back to normal and people will be like, wow, this is actually a good stream. This is great. I enjoy the real money stuff now. I don't know. We'll see. Given that you don't trade across prop accounts, how would you strategize to take payouts from each firm every month? I take payouts as soon as I can. That's my MO. I take the payout as soon as I possibly can. Like my Apex accounts, I blew them. Surprise, surprise. I blew my accounts day 6. I got off stream. I traded and I'm not trying to make an excuse, but I didn't check my quantity box. My quantity box was set to 50 micros. And I go clickety, click, click, click. That's a lot. And then good news. So yeah. Long story short, if I would have had day 8 roll around and I would have had enough money to take a payout, you bet your bottom dollar I'm taking a payout in those Apex accounts. Am I gonna try it again? I got 20 Apex accounts loaded up, baby. Not PAs though. I don't even, dude, you know, I passed these things like fucking 3 weeks ago, it feels like. It was a lot, dude, it was like 4 weeks ago that I passed the ones that I blew today. But man, it's a $15,000 target, and I forgot the evaluations have trailing drawdown too. So after I'd purchased them, I was working out and I was like, wait a second, don't the evals have trailing too? And I was like, in my head, I was like, no, they don't. I was thinking about TPT. TPT evaluations don't have trailing drawdown. That's what it is. Lucid eval or Lucid black. What did I get? I got some in Trade C. What are these? Lucid black. I got Lucid black myself. Why happened to the 20 Apex PAs? How you blow them? I literally just said exactly how I blew them. You guys are fucking trolling me, huh? Oh, you guys are trolling me. I don't believe you anymore. Holy shit. Didn't hate wealth charts, but the Apex setup is hard. It is. I mean, dude, it's my fault for not checking the quantity field. I shouldn't even have traded. I mean, it's just so dumb. It's always just so dumb. You know, it's always because I guess it's like, you know, whenever you make that kind of mistake, you feel like an idiot and you're just like, fuck, I wish I wouldn't have traded at all, you know? Gold moving? Is it though? Not really. 20 points. Whatever. I'd be more interested to see if we can start pushing up and over 63 in the S&Ps. MC levels strike again, baby. On one of your recent YouTube shorts, you literally said props could be banned in 2 years as a real possibility. No need to name call about it. Oh, God. It's just like, let's see. Let's try to make this stream like 5 minutes long. What can we say? What can we do? How long do you see yourself streaming, Ripsy? I don't know. Probably 1, 2, 3, 4 more minutes. Probably. I don't know. It's got to be a pretty exhausting day every day. I mean, when I come on and it's questions like these, it's kind of exhausting, but it's not usually like this. It's not usually like this. It's usually pretty fun. Sometimes I come on, it's just like, I don't know. How doom and gloom can be? I don't know, man. I try to be all positive and shit. I'm the one who blew the accounts. I had to pay for those shits, man. It's fucking expensive. I look at it as like I lost 60 grand because I was so damn close. I was so close to those things. Dude, I didn't even think there was a possibility that I was ever going to not get those things going. I wish when you launched prop firms, or not prop firms, but when you launched a platform, I wish it just fucking reset to 1. I wish the quantity would just reset to fucking 1. I hate that it saves the quantity. I'm sure that there's people out there who are like, why doesn't it save the quantity? So. Can we get an over-under on how many people leave the stream crying tonight? Why would people be crying, man? Try to burn the accounts. We will show them, dude. I don't know what I'm gonna do though. Like for real, like I can't believe that these things are $15,000 a pass. It took me 6 days to make 3 grand, or 5 days to make 3 grand in these things. I don't even remember 4 weeks ago what I did to pass these things. It's a lot, man. $15,000 with a trailing drawdown is tough. I gotta trade them like. Wait, is this not even moving? Wait, it is, right? What's going on? The compared instrument. Okay, there we go. I think that's moving, right? It's just staying at 798. Okay, there we go. It's moving. You only hate buying them one at a time, don't lie. I mean, I haven't bought them in 4 weeks, bro. Actually, I didn't mind it, you know? I haven't bought my accounts in 4 weeks, so I didn't really care. It's been a while, you know? Not that big of a deal. I don't really care. 50. I get it. Good joke. Yeah, 50 micros. Well, I have the NQ open in it, so I don't know. It definitely takes the wind out of your sails, because I certainly, like, you know, if I had like lost them in a way where I like took a trade today and it was like a normal trade, took a loss, and then like for some reason I traded like shit over the next 5 days and I lose them. I don't know. It just kind of, it feels like a shock. It's like more surprising than anything. So just gamble in video earnings on Wednesday. Yeah, but then what about the reduced PA fees, bro? PA fees are only, I forget what they are for the larger accounts, because these are 250Ks. I forget what they are. I think they're like 100 something like that. I wonder, yeah, I don't know, dude. I don't know. 15 grand is a lot to make. So like, even if I traded aggressively, let's see, how many points realistically could I get? Because even if you're trading 20 contracts, well, hold on. So I can trade up to 27. Dude, with a trailing drawdown, I can't trade 20, because 20 contracts is what? $4,000 every 10 points? Bro, like, how? You have to make 35 points, essentially. 35 points on 20 contracts. I'm not going to trade 20 contracts with a $6,500 trailing drawdown per account. I don't know how I'm going to do this, bro. It's going to be ridiculous. When does the Apex deal end? Tomorrow night. Tap in. Do the static accounts. You only need 2K. I already bought. The problem is I already bought all these. I bought all of them, and then I was working out, and I was like, I wonder what is it to get these things passed. And I started thinking, I was like, isn't it $6,500 to get these things passed? I was like, that seems kind of light, because I thought like it was like, I don't know, 9,000 to pass the 150s or something, or I don't know, or the hundreds. I started thinking about it, and then I looked it up on their website. I was like, damn, 15,000. Fuck. Now it made me really miss my PAs. PAs on day 6, dude. $95. Okay, well there you go, $95. So it's gonna cost me another to activate these. It's gonna be another 19. That's actually not bad. $1,900. So yeah, I would pay double if I could just pay to pass them. I would pay double. You hear me, Apex? I'd pay double. What's up, Long said? The static accounts, like, doesn't the static drawdown, isn't it the same drawdown every single day though? I don't know. I've never done the static accounts on Apex. This will be my what 80th PA this year, 2026. My set of 80, 20 more. So I blew 60 so far. This will be 80 now. So you know, not fun, man. It's the one thing that's like debilitating about props. It's just like the this part of it. Like the oh, here we go again type shit. Man, I'm just waiting for a tour of that room. Everything blurry, but everything that's funny. I predict props will be illegalized by 2028. Well, start learning how to trade then, I guess. You are really ham on this. You're very interested in whether it's awesome stuff, man. Hopefully they'll extend the low PA fees. Yeah, I mean, if they don't, then I'll pay whatever, I guess. I don't know. It is what it is. Trailing drawdown sucks balls. It does, but like the reward, dude, I was so close to $60,000 and my cost, I forget, I think I paid more. I think I paid like $145 to activate these things. So $2,900 plus the other, what do these cost? It was like, I don't know, $70 for each one or something, plus another $1,400. I was in for like, I don't know, let's just call it 4K. 4K ROI to be 60K was real nice. I mean, I could probably deposit 4K into a fresh AMP account. Well, I don't know. I'd have to have at least probably like 25K to feel comfortable. But yeah, you know. You got another set of TV. I bought them. They're good to go. And it wasn't until after I bought them, I was like, fuck, I don't know how I'm going to make 15 grand on these things. It's certain I can't, like, if I take it as slow as I was going in my PAs, it'll damn take me fucking 3 months to pass these things. Are those laboobies? Or what laboobies? The shit that I was playing with last night at your mom's house? Yes, those were laboobies, dude. She has a great set on her. Your mom's tits are fucking fantastic. Very sensitive, too. She said that. The nipple clips is what kind of clued me in on that. You gotta feel the pain like us? No, dude. No, thank you. Dude, what? Kick is just hilarious. What's up with those dudes that'll pass your eval for you for a fee? That's called the fast track ticket to getting banned from prop firm accounts. That's how you get fucking banned instantly from prop. Like, come on. Do not ever even think about doing that shit. And if anything, if those services were smart, they just steal your money. I mean, that's so against every single prop firm terms of service. Like, never ever do that. I kind of want to spin slots tonight since I didn't spin today. Anybody figure out why I wanted to get off stream so bad? Because the market was moving? Anybody figure out what I was probably doing immediately after I got off stream besides blowing my Apex accounts? Where do you think I went? Dude, what? You guys are ridiculous. Dave, you got it. You're smart, man. Making 15K is easy, bro. Wait for a rate on liquidity. Wait for inverse fair value. Got full port long. Take profit at one. Yeah, dude. Exactly. I don't know if the ICT traders are catching a good rep right now. They're not looking good, guys. So ridiculous. I can't believe there's people selling $4,000 courses and they're not even profitable. I stream for free and I'm very profitable. And I do this fucking for free, man. $4,000 and you haven't even made profit? Like, is there some point when you wake up and you look in the mirror and you're like, dude, maybe this is not a good thing? You know what I mean? It's fucking insane, bro. What planet are we on? Although, like, you just kind of assumed that was the norm, but like for it to be that bad, like at least having like one profitable year, like, dude, have one profitable year. I'm not even profitable yet. Like, what the fuck? It's crazy, dude. ICT followers make me hope the aliens win. That's funny. MAE does not apply in stage. Yeah, I know the MAE doesn't apply, but there's fucking trailing drawdown that I'm not joking, dude. It's been 4 days since I traded Apex evals. I've been trading so many props. I don't know what part of my brain shut off, but I was like, oh, it's because I've been trading TPT accounts recently. And I'm like, oh, in the eval stage, there's no trailing. Trailing comes in the funded stage thing. So I completely fucking forgot about it, man. I think maybe I probably should have done the 150K accounts because those are only like a $9,000 profit target. But whatever, we'll try it anyway, you know. It's only money. We blow the accounts, we blow the accounts. It's only money, baby. I haven't touched them yet. We're just sitting here. We haven't touched them. Look at this. Total profit. There you go. That's how you know that they're fresh evals. Total P&L. Isn't that pathetic? Isn't that just so sad to see that? Remember when it said fucking, what was it, 70,000, 60,000? Oh, it's so sad, dude. It's just such a bummer to do this again. It's the hardest part is like, all right, here we go again. How do you not at least stumble into profit at one point during 5 or 6 years? I mean, maybe you could have a week of profit, but like, bro, to be profitable for a full year, a lot of people aren't going to achieve that, man. Trading is very fucking hard, dude. I'm serious, like, especially if they're trading some bullshit, you know? Like, I'm sorry, but there's a lot of the traders out there that are so obsessed with like finding the model. And it's like, dude, that's not even it. It's like, you got to find yourself, bro. You got to find out who you are as a person. Because when you finally figure out how to be profitable, keeping it is a whole different story. Like, that comment right there is like, how do you not at least stumble at one point during 5 or 6 years? Dude, having a profitable year is such a fucking hard thing to do. Like, dude, when I was in like year 3, 2.5 and 3, I'm like, fuck yeah. Like, you keep on thinking that you're going to get it. It's very elusive. It's very, very elusive. I wasn't trading when he was trading the Percy, but everyone else is always trying to sell shit. Yeah, I don't sell shit, man. I got nothing to sell you. If you want to spend your time hanging out with us, great. Fantastic. I don't need to sell you anything. God has blessed me. Life has been good. I don't need to sell you shit. I don't want to sell you shit. I just want to help. I want to be helpful and I want to hang out. That's it. Bankroll management is key. Yeah, but also like, dude, there's also a bunch of people out there that no matter how hard you try, it's going to be difficult. Like, you know, like everybody's like, oh, I want to make millions trading. Yeah, but like, dude, do you even have what it takes to have on a position where it's like going against you thousands of dollars? And that's like part of what you have to do to have a trade on, right? Unless you want to make like hundreds of dollars. Like, I'm just saying, like, you want to make millions as a trader, you're going to have to learn how to like manage your emotions of being in drawdown. Let's say like not even during a trade, but like in weeks of drawdown, like tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars in drawdown. You want to be a millionaire trader, you know? You don't realize like what comes with that. Like there's so many people last year that freaked the fuck out when I lost $200,000 in a day. They're like, oh my God. It's like, dude, I get it. Terrible, terrible loss, but you know, this is the worst loss of the whole year. And people were like freaking the fuck out. It's like, dude, I've done worse. I've had worse. It's just part of it. It sucks. Took me 3.5 days or 3 days to recover that. But, you know, like the emotions, the hard part is the emotions, wrapping your emotions around that. And when we're talking about, like, if you want to make millions as a trader, you want to make millions. There's no shame in being like, I want to make hundreds of thousands of dollars in a year as a trader. There's no shame in that. That's more manageable for most people. But there's people that are like, oh, dude, I'm going to make millions in trading. Really? You're going to have to learn how to, like, have a position on where it's going against you for the price of a down payment for a condo, or like whatever the full price of a condo is. You know what I mean? Like, you want to make millions as a trader. Well, then try being in a position where it's going against you and you know that you're right. You know that the position is going to resolve in your favor. Oh, well, just cut it. No, dude, that's not how that works. Oh, I would cut it and get back in. Really? You do that, and then you go from a 30K loss to a 60K loss to a $180,000 loss. You know, there's so much more to it that you haven't experienced. Like, people out there that are watching that are like, I'm going to be making millions of dollars. You don't know, like, there's so many dark sides of trading that are never brought to light. Like, it's always this bullshit of like, oh, we're all going to make it. We're all going to be so rich. Oh, man, once you figure out trading, it unlocks the gateways to heaven. Like, no, dude. you keep going, and like, you want to get bigger. You want to size bigger. Well, guess what happens? Not only do the wins get bigger, but the losses get bigger. And then your emotions of how you handle those losses get crazy. There's no, like, when you're scaling and trading, there's no easy part, right? There's no easy part. You have to have 100 to 300 PA account to make millions. Okay, I guess. But I'm just trying to be real with you. Like, the idea that you're gonna be able to, like, oh, I'm gonna make millions from trading. It's so hard to get to that level because there's so many things like, oh, once I get my model figured out, dude. Yeah, right. Do you know how hard it is? By the way, we're talking about the doom and gloom part. How about when you're in a trade and you're super confident in the trade and you're up, like, let's just say a big number for you is like you're up $10,000 or $15,000. Do you know how hard it is? If that's a lot of money to you, do you know how hard it is to not close it at that? And especially if you've been getting your ass fucking ripped open and pummeled all week, and you're like, finally, I'm up 10 grand. That means a lot to me. I don't know your financial situation, but let's just say 10 grand is a lot of money to you. Imagine you're sitting there, finally the first screen trade in like 2 weeks, you're up 10 grand, it's still fucking working in your favor, and you're just like, oh, I gotta take this off. And then it keeps going, and then you jump back in and it reverses all that, takes all the profit. Like, are you ready for that shit? Like, are you actually ready for that? Oh, I want to make $1 million as a trader. Are you ready for all that shit? All the mental shit that you're gonna go through going through that part of trading? You really? You ready? You ready for that? I'm gonna make $1 million. Just trying to keep it real with you guys. It's so fucking hard, dude. It's very hard. Trailing drawdown should be illegal. What are you talking about, bro? How could I find a working model? Trial and error, baby. And I'm telling you right now, that's going to be the least of your issues in trading. You get a working strategy in trading, congratulations. You've now completed 10% of the trading handbook. You finally get that working model. This one we call the inverted broccoli shit fuck. This one's called the bussin' on God, no cap. 90% win rate. Congratulations, bro. You got 1% of the way there. Get ready for the other 99%. Well, my motto, it's like an inverse turtle soup-and-thon. Fuck yeah. We call it a turtle soup and salad. Congrats, bro. You've completed 1% of the journey. Buckle up. Oh, God. We are pushing up, by the way. Again, 68.63 is the level I'm watching. We have not exceeded it in the S&Ps. So if we start to fail back up here and come back down, I would like to see a draw of liquidity above 63. I would like to see and then a rejection, ideally. But if we have continuation, we're going to be looking for 850 to the north side. That's it. So are you saying get your mind off being a millionaire and just work on consistency and base hits? 100%. That is so accurate. 100%. Get your brain right. That's the biggest hurdle. It is. Okay, so look at that. We had a little bit of a pop above there, above 63. Now we wait and see. We had a pop and then an immediate sort of rejection. I don't know what I want to trade, though. Do I want to trade these Apex? I don't know. It's not moving enough. I'm probably going to wait for the Apex until tomorrow. Maybe we can trade a little bit of the trade of 8 ones. Why didn't you gamble today? Because I wanted to trade my Percy. Market was moving too pure. I just wanted to get off and focus. There's money to be made, so that was it. Being real with you, I really just wanted to fucking trade. Your fave Furu ICT is live on Twitter Spaces right now. What is he bitching about? How was this? Great day, fantastic. You try ESs for gentlemen? Yeah. I mean, I like the movement in NASDAQ usually. We are exceeding this right now. Let's see. If we had like another pullback here, it'd be nice. We are rejecting rate at 63 for the time being. Let's see how this shakes around here. We don't have to jump at anything yet. Do you have any system to protect profits? I managed to make some decent trades and tend to give back half of it towards the end of the day. Should this happen a couple times, it's not hard to tilt. Do you have like a nut in mind? Like, do you have a daily nut that you're trying to hit, Andre? Are you trading on props? Or are you trading on a personal account? Let's flesh this out. This will be a good discussion to have, and it'll be good for everybody. Let's talk through all of your situation here. Let's hear your thoughts on ICT. I think the guy's a complete fucking retard, but if the shit that he teaches, all the repackaged bullshit, if that's good for you, then keep doing it. I think that you should always work on a strategy that works specifically for you. But the man himself is an absolute fucking delusional psychopath. Do you have any system to protect that's the one we're going after here. How do you separate gambling and trading? Trading can be gambling sometimes. If you make it gambling, sure. But I mean, you shouldn't derive thrill from trading. You should find other things to derive thrill from. And I know that's a tall order for a lot of people. That is kind of the good thing about being a poker player and also like gambling, playing slots and blackjack and all that shit. That feeds that area of dopamine in my head. If you see, like, the biggest trade that I took last year on stream was almost $400,000. Well, it's $200,000, but it brought my P&L to almost $400,000. If you look at how I reacted after that trade, obviously it was a lot of like dopamine, well, adrenaline. But you can see me consciously trying to tamp down that adrenaline. It's a short that's going to be live on X tomorrow. I think it's 6 a.m. or I think it might be live at 6 a.m. tomorrow. But there's a long form YouTube content on it. It's my best trade that I took all year last year on the stream. It happens when you have a bad entry. Stop out and try again if you still believe in the trade. Sure. When I get to 400, I continue trading, but should probably stop. Well, I mean, if you're already trading with a mindset of like, I should probably stop, it's not a good headspace to be trading in the first place. So if your nut is $400, then I would say probably go to a quarter of what size you're trading on. Let's say you're trading 10 micros max, go to a 5 or a 4 micros max, right? Trade a 4 micros max or a 3 micros max. And then you know, if you continue to trade well, continue trading, and then until you have you feel like you're out of the pocket, then stop. That's what I would say. Josh says, love the content. You're absolutely killing it. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Talking about the gold silver trade. Yes, I am the gold silver trade. But like the reason why I brought it up is because I want you to focus on the conscious effort that you can see that I'm trying to tamp down the dopamine, the adrenaline, the euphoria when you're closing that trade. And that's, you're trying to consciously separate, you know, gambling, entertainment, whatever, from trading. Well, this is kind of shaping up here. Volume is kind of dying. If it was regular trading hours, I'd be all over this, but I guess we could try a smaller trade. Let's go long here. Let's try a smaller trade here. If this pulls back to 812-ish, or if this rejects underneath 63, then we're out of here. But I want to try this for a blow off top of 25 to the top side, since we are kind of settling here. We don't have any offer side defense that's coming in too heavy, but we'll see. Having trouble sizing down after taking my profits. Any advice? You have to force yourself to do it. A lot of trading is uncomfortable things. What do we have? 38. There's no reason for that to be so aggressive, so might be flipping out of this, given that 63 is kind of rejecting here. Let's see. That was just one order of how many contracts here? That was just one order of 68 contracts. Somebody shot 68 contracts. We did absorb it though, so I want to see us auctioning back above for a potential add. It's just very slow right now. If we reclaim 63, still fighting around 63 here in the S&Ps. We should see at the top of the hour, we should see much more liquidity coming in. 63 is the level to watch though in the S&Ps. I'm watching both right now simultaneously. But we are at a very topping area, so if we do see a blowout of this topping area, we should see continuation, and we should be able to ride that. So we'll see. Have you used deep charts? No, I have not. I've not used deep charts. Bit of sideways consolidation here underneath 63. Let's see if they can reclaim 63 evens here. There is a 46 lot up at 63 and a quarter. If we can swipe at that, that would give me a lot of confidence. Let's see. Nobody's jumping at it right away. It's coinciding with 20 in the NASDAQ as well. Yeah, they didn't take at it. Still there. See if they lift that player, 63 quarters. And then we could see potential momentum if we break through that momentum all the way up to 67. So let's watch and see. They're just fucking with it right now. Just toying around with it. Nobody's really jumping in. They keep on placing offers right below, one tick below at 63 evens. So until they sweep up at 25, 68, 63 and a quarter. We won't see anything. Now I'm talking about the S&Ps right now. That's what's kind of leading the NAS. And then right at 7, we should see more liquidity coming in. So 19 minutes away. 19 minutes away. Why do you like trading NQ? You've asked that before, Katie. Answer that before. You're adding here? I don't know. Maybe on micros, but we need confirmation of adding through 63 quarters. It's just it's dead in the water right now. I thought after the bottom of the hour we would have had a little bit more liquidity. We tend to get caught in these little sideways moves. It's very low liquidity. Rips Mod, kindly fuck off, please. Thank you. You're really fucking annoying. I'm not even gonna open up that chat. Literally suck my dick. Alright, I'm gonna cut that. Oh, fuck you, Rips Mod. I fucking hate you sometimes. I really hope you just fucking get hit by a car one day. I'm kidding. I love you. I love you. I'm not in a trade. You are. I'm not in a trade. You are. Oh, God. Dun, 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 dun. Here, we'll check this out. Ripsmod. Wait, can I really not time out Ripsmod? That's kind of scammy. Let me see. How can I not time you out? It's kind of annoying. Wait, I could unmod you. Hold on. Unmod. Yeah, here we go. Unmod, Ripsmod. There we go. Bang. Unmodded. And then timed out for an hour. Bang. There we go. Perfect. Haha. Who's got the power? Perfect. Unmod him, make me. I already did unmod him. He's currently unmodded. Bang. And they're immediately here. Watch this now. I'll close my messaging platform. They're immediately spamming my messages. How cute. Sucks for them. Sucker. What's the code for BP? Shut up, dude. Do you find there's more levels in after hours trading? What do you mean? No, definitely not. Definitely not. All right, back in here, back in on the longs. I would have got in a lot sooner, but there was this thing I was dealing with. I don't know if you noticed, but there was this thing I was doing. It's nice though, dude. It's nice. I look at Kick Chat and there's no nonsense. This is great. Who would have thought you guys could actually manage your own behavior without having Spot in there? Isn't that nice? What package do you pay for on Bookmap? Notice your DOM is different than mine. It's just global, bro. There's nothing special about it, I promise you. Literally nothing special about it. I just have mine set up in a way that is mostly incorrect. I would highly recommend not copying any of my settings. They're pretty trash. Oh, look at that. Kickbot's still here. Nice. Still getting ads. I love this. I changed all of my settings. They're pretty bad. I wouldn't try to copy my settings. They're pretty bad. You can customize Bookmap ad infinitum to do whatever you want. You know, you can make it look however you wish. There's no laws against it. There we go. Nice little pop back up there above 810. There's somebody in this tape right now doing something. I don't like how they're selling it into the, or buying it into the offer, and there's a big player in the offer. It's kind of annoying. Good old GLOBEX, man. I should just wait until 7 p.m. Feels like it's the best thing to do. Yeah, you see that exchange up there? I don't like that. Like, just get out of the way, guys. Like, let's just let it squeeze for a little bit. You don't need to trade 61 contracts there. It's kind of pointless, trust me. Like, get out of the way, dudes. It's okay. We will be fine if we let it rise to like 25 and we do a little bit of a takeout there. It's totally fine, I promise. It's okay, bros. It's okay. We'll probably get some nice trades right at the top of the hour. Do you use the sound on Bookmap? No. I hate that. I have it all turned off. It's pretty much what you see is what you get. Except for time and sales, it doesn't show up on the stream. Oh, come on. They didn't take out 63 again. I might jump out of this. Kind of annoying. These dingleberries right now. They have every opportunity in the world to keep grabbing at this liquidity, and they're just not doing it. Yeah. Oh well. We'll wait until the top of the hour. All right, let's try this again. We can mod Rips Mod now. There you go. You're back, Rips Mod. Welcome back. Are you still timed out? Let's see. I don't think you're still timed out, are you? No, you're not. Good. Wonderful. Asia opens at 7. How about that? We're back at the VWAP here. We are rejecting underneath 63, but it's not like a huge rejection. We did sweep that liquidity, but it wasn't very clean. Oh, let me fix that. There we go. I gotta remove your timeout. It's funny. All right, there you go. You're all set. You're just gonna have to refresh your chat there, buddy. You're gonna have to refresh the page. Maybe I broke your account. That'd be crazy. I don't know if that's for real. Is it still not working? I mean, all you gotta do is just refresh the page. All right, still trading down here, 800. Yeah, there you go. You're perfectly fine. The low level will be 757 to the downside. Let's see. We're below VWAP. See if we can hold underneath 800 here for a little bit of a push. Looking for 757 now. I think it's dicey. Very dicey and spicy. We have to watch out for 56 on the lows here. 56 in the S&Ps is what I'm saying. We have to be watching out for that. 54 should trade. 54 should trade in the S&Ps. 54 should trade. It might take us a minute to get there, but it should trade. Anything popping up towards 800, I want to reshort as well. So all them things. Maybe put even on the offer there towards 800. We're just paying tuition again? What does that mean? $800 here. Let's see. Make sure I got the right hotkey. Okay, right there. 804. And should see a sweep back through 800 now. Pretty confident that we should touch as low as 54 in the S&Ps. So looking for a little sweep through 800. Big offers, ideal for what I'm looking for. Big offers. Watching for this to snap back below. There's a 21 lot at 802. We should eat into it. Watching for this to tap into that. Right there at 250. Make sure the right button here. It looks like they're like inviting more people to bid underneath. They gap it up and then they're allowing like more bids to come in. Okay, adding to that rejection there. Still that liquidity at 250 that I think we will sweep. And then we should be in turn for a nice little roll. There's your 250. Come on, just connect. Bit connect. Without the nonsense this time. That's nonsense. There is a player that put in a little bit of a bid in the S&Ps, which caused that to slightly bounce back up there. So let's see. Could do with some better music. I don't know what happens. Whenever I get into these annoying trades, I swear to God, we get the fucking worst music that comes on. Let's try this one. Let's see what happens if I do this. There we go. I don't want to hear dramatic fight music right now, you know? That's the last thing I want to hear when I'm watching the tape. All right. Just do the thing you're supposed to do. There you go. Just do the nice little roll. There you go. It was the music change, I swear. and then you pause right there. It's so frustrating. Silly, silly, silly. You know, you don't have to pause at 97 quarters. It's perfectly fine if you fade all the way to 92 like you're supposed to. I promise. Oh, my TP was at 92. It is so incredibly thin here. I guess I could peel off some at 96 halves. There you go. Peeled off some. There we go. Hey, we got it tagged. Confidence. Fury. It filled too, surprisingly. How about that? Rips, when do you recommend I take payout? I'm eligible not for like 1,000. Or did you mean I'm eligible right now? Right now for like 1,000? Take it, dude. Just take it. Can you pass Apex in one day? Yes, you can. That's a fact. Am I going to bed at 7 or 8 your time? I don't know, man. Maybe. Why do you ask? Holy earthquake when you start typing. You know, sometimes you just gotta make it rain, baby, on them keys. Gotta make it rain on them keys, dog. What's up, Eagle Eyes? Worst music and burp. I'll work on the music for you, my friend. What kind of music would you like to listen to, Coach Fred? It's your stage. What are we doing? It's your world. We're all just spectators in your world. What do you want to listen to, Coach? You tell me. Pacquiao Mayweather September 19th Sphere. I don't know if the Sphere is a good venue for boxing. You know? I don't know if the Sphere is good for boxing. They did the UFC there. It looked kind of meh. Actually, you know what? I don't know. Maybe you want to go and see that together there? You want to go, Chandi? Are you down? All right, let's see. I forgot. Top of the hour. Damn, I'm not paying any attention. Top of the hour. I need to start paying attention here. Italian disco? Isn't that exactly what we're listening to right now? Is this not... Mamma mia! Is this not Italian disco, bro? It's exactly what we're already listening to. I thought you said you wanted to listen to something else. You suggested the same genre that we're already listening to. Buca de Beppo. You're Italian and offended? What should I say? Vaffanculo. Bravo. ¿Qué onda, Rips? ¿Qué tal la cita el viernes? Comiendo algo rico que todo rico, tal vez. Siempre, baba. Honest opinion, if trading was your only income, would you be profitable? Nah, be dirt broke, bro. I make my money from selling my course. That's what I do. I have a $4,000 course on how to be profitable, but I have no profitability in my own life. I teach ICT. I am being for real. I'm answering your question with the same energy in which you asked it. Were you not here all last year? Let me see when you joined. I'll give you a pass if you weren't here last year. Dude, you joined November 17th. You watched me make fucking $2 million over the course of 2 months and you're asking me that question. Fuck out of here. Are you retarded? Are you actually retarded? You've been here since November 17th. You've actually watched me make $2 million in front of your fucking eyes. And you're gonna ask me that question. How fucking retarded are you, buddy? Holy shit, man. You might be worse than the short bus. You could be the conductor of that thing. What a stupid question. Like, I could understand, like, if you would maybe watch like the first 6 months, even though I made like, you know, 900,000 the first 6 months of the year or whatever the fuck it was. But like, man, you've been here since, like, your join date and kick is November. I can see that. So you were here for the best 2 months of the entire year, where we literally made $1 million, $2 million, made 700,000, then we made over $1 million. And you're asking me that question. That's hilarious stuff. My shorting GC, yes. I just am not showing it. Even if you were profitable, selling a course for 4K is nasty work. Fuck that guy. I mean, it's a free market. Nobody's forcing people to do anything. But if you're misrepresenting yourself, and you're telling people that you're profitable and you're selling a $4,000 course, that is not good. That is immoral and also illegal. I know you make great, but people say 90 social media trades actually don't make a steady income. They make it off affiliate, etc. If you think that I made more than $2 million in affiliate revenue in November and December, boy, I got some deals for you, my friend. I got some beachfront property in Afghanistan that I'm ready to sell you. You hear PW, LOL. Did PW make $2 million in December and November? News to me, bro. See, y'all believe too much shit without receipts. When I traded my money, I brought receipts. You should trust but verify, right? Trust but verify. If some affiliate is telling you that they made millions of dollars, ask for the receipts. Where's the tax return? Stop being played by fucking retards. You know what I mean? This is why people are able to sell a $4,000 course to a bunch of retards and not be profitable. Because y'all ain't fucking verifying. Trust, but verify. Somebody goes online like, I made $15 million last year. Okay, cool. Let's see it. I don't need to. Okay. Sounds good. It's that simple. Trust, but verify. For you says, your presence is growing because you're sharing your knowledge for free and it's fucking valuable. Thank you. That Justin guy said he's barely broke even from trading. I mean, I wonder if that's even true. Barely broke even is hard to do. I don't even know if that's true. I mean, barely broke even could be quite the lie too, you know? Sigh, blew some lucids today. Tried loading up new evals. Card flag for potential fraud. It's obviously not fraud. Oh, by your bank, not by Lucid though. He said I was worse than a short bus. I mean, but come on, dude. You can't be serious. Unless you're like trying to get a rise out of me, but I mean, I couldn't care less. I don't really give a shit what people think. I don't charge anybody anything. I stream for free. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. The results speak for themselves, right? I'm really trying to understand your momentum trading rules, but I really sometimes do not get when you go for it and when you not. You are always on point with that. It just depends. It's a feel, dude. If you ask a lot of professional traders about, there's traders' intuition for sure, but it's not some magic. It's because I've been staring at charts for so damn long, for well over a decade, right? Just playing. Well, I'm playing with you, dog. I hope you don't ride the short bus. I hope you're the conductor of that thing. But no, to answer your question, Dane, no bullshit. It's traders' intuition that you build up over the years. If I make it look easy, great. I'm wrong often though, right? I'm wrong often. I'm still trying to figure out GLOBEX with not touching the tape, if you know what I mean, right? When I trade GLOBEX in my own personal account, the thing that I do, and I don't want to have too much of an edge leak here, but the thing that I do requires me to have my orders actually hitting the tape. And it has to do with things being very, very thin, right? Put 2 and 2 together if you remember watching what happened with the gold trade, right? It's difficult for me to press a button and like nothing's happening type thing. So I'm still learning for GLOBEX. I'm not making excuses. We've had some great GLOBEXs together, but we've also had some really shitty GLOBEXs together. I'm working on becoming a better GLOBEX trader where my orders don't actually interact with the tape. Do I need liquidity to make money? Well, I'm a real money trader. I've always been a real money trader. So the whole ghost order thing is something definitely that takes some getting used to. There are advantages of it, which I talk about often. Like when you're trading Apex 20 accounts, let's just say you get to a point where you've scaled your accounts, you have $100,000 in each, that's a $2 million account balance. Well, let's say that gold is moving really, really slow and I can see like that there's a huge bidder that's not going to break. I can just buy that and the tape will not move. And then I can flip out of that many contracts. Let's just say I'm trading full size, which I wouldn't be. But, you know, like 250K accounts, you'd be having 27 contracts of gold. You can't even trade gold anymore. It's a bad example, but, you know, you get what I'm saying. 540 contracts or whatever the case. 540 contracts. But there's things that you can do in props that you couldn't ever do in a real live market, which are good for you as a trader. But there's also... I mean, for most people that are watching, you've grown up trading props or you've learned on props, so it's not going to be a big issue. I guess that could be why a lot of folks, where they go from props to a real money account, have issues, I suppose. But yeah, there's just, you know, when you're trading on props, it's definitely very, very different than trading on real money. Your hero says, what an advice to give me. I made 32K in payouts from Top 7 in January. Wow, there you go. Let's go, baby. First 10 days of February, but then since been blowing combines back to back. Well, the market did significantly change since January. What was your trading strategy? Which instruments were you trading and which instruments are you now trading? Always learn on a real money account. Yeah, and the other thing is too, is like, you know, if you're not trading size, you know, you're trading 5 contracts or whatever, it's fine. You're not gonna, there's nothing really gonna change or anything. But if you're trading hundreds of contracts during GLOBEX, you're gonna see it and things are gonna happen. Dane says, nevertheless, because of you, I try to take it even slower than I already do and just try to do base hits with 5x pay. It's a really game changer for my head, man. Thanks. Nice. Yeah, that's what I was doing on my Apex until today, and then it's so annoying, dude. I gotta see something. I'm gonna see if I'm crazy or not. I'm gonna change my quantity to 10 in wealth charts, and then I'm gonna refresh. Oh, hold on, I want to save the layout because I always save at the end of the day. I want to see if this is what happened. Ah ha ha! See, I'm not crazy. It does fucking save your quantity. God damn it, dude! What a stupid feature. Fucking hate that. Always check your quantity, ladies and gentlemen. Always, always, always check your quantity. Dude, I wish there was a part of me that literally made, like, that went and saw that it did not save your quantity, because then I'd be like, oh, well, then I must have done something wrong. I did do something wrong. I didn't check quantity. So annoying. Without leaking anything, where do I go to learn tape reading and volume analysis? What's a good direction? Recording your time in sales, watching it back, recording sessions in Bookmap, watching it back. That's it. It saves your quantity. Dude, isn't it crazy? It actually saves your fucking quantity. I'm not crazy. Now I actually feel a little bit better about blowing these accounts. Now I feel a little bit better about blowing those Apex today. It's crazy that it does that. So today's Monday, right? Yeah, so it was on Friday. I was literally limit closing a trade with like 50 contracts, micros, because I had a 50 lot position, I guess. And I had the quantity set as 50. It's so stupid that I didn't look. If you know me and you know how I trade, I'm always looking at bookmap. I'm never looking at what's happening on the screen, on the trade execution screen, because I don't need to. There's nothing that I need to see. Apparently there is though. You need to see when you're putting on 50 fucking minis, micros. Bottom tick and top tick in the wrong direction every time. Start fading yourself. No joke, no bullshit. Just start fading yourself. I'm not even kidding. You'll be blown away at the difference. Start fading yourself every single time you're like, well, I'd probably go long here. Just start going short one micro and watching. Dude, that is crazy. I should have. That's actually crazy that it does that. Let me see. I didn't resave the layout. Let me see if I refresh here. No, back to 1, dude. So it has nothing to do with saving your layout. It just has whatever quantity that you fucking closed it with. That's so tilting, man. All they have to do is just fucking. Is there an option that you can automatically have it set back to 1 in the DOM or something? No, probably not. Nope. What do you mean to enter with? No, with 1 micro. I'm taking my hotkeys. I'm not gonna do it, but I was taking my hotkeys and I was going like this, you know. I'm like, I think I'm trading 1 micro, and I'm trading 50 at a time. It's the equivalent of 5 minis at a time. So, yeah, you're well charged. Okay, do this. If you think I'm bullshitting, go into your quantity field in your DOM, type in 50, and then refresh your page and tell me what the quantity says when the page refreshes and loads. I gotta take a leak. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. All right, we're back. Whee! We're so back. Check something real quick. Based on my 5 years of market experience and the 32K was my first ever payouts, bring it back in, dude. Take it slow, reel it in, dog. You're doing too much. Did it again, logged out, just had to choose the account again and loaded my set. You're right. But I'm, dude, go to your DOM, put 50 in the quantity, refresh your page, and tell me what the quantity says when you refresh. the quantity is saving. That's what I'm saying. It logs you out. I'm just talking about the quantity, bro. I know the layout will reload. That's not the question. 1,200 away from a 10K payout with Alpha Futures. Kind of nervous. I traded my Alpha account today, and we found out that it has $1,000 draw now together after I was already up $1,000. Today's session was weird. A weird session. We are in the range of MC levels in the S&Ps right now. Like literally in the exact range of those levels. It's crazy. 54 to 63. That's crazy, actually. We still haven't taken out 54. When's the next poker stream? Hopefully soon. Probably go play Hustler. The Vegas ones just don't get any viewership. You know what I mean? The Vegas streams just don't get any viewership, so. That's all. I just don't know if I want to waste my time doing the Vegas streams again. The WPT one that we did in December got a lot of viewers, but yeah, I don't know. I just don't know. We're gonna hit the magical green line and run back. Which one? Oh, talk about the hourly high. Oh wait, did my? Oh no, wait, did that not? Dude, no, it didn't save my updated version. Fuck. It didn't save my updated version of my fucking indicator. I gotta save that. It's annoying. Alright, I guess I should do that. I gotta push this update for this my indicator. I don't know why it doesn't save that. It's kind of annoying, huh? When well charts loads my save layout, I mean it puts everything back, including quantity, but I'm not using. Oh well, there you go. I'm talking about the DOM. That's where my hotkeys work from, is the DOM. That's all I'm talking about, dude. Are we booing tonight? I don't know. Probably not. Tired. All right, let me get this layout thing working. I was about to do it, and then who do you think messages me? Ripsmon, hey, missed you, pal. Literally was trying to open it up. All right, let me get the indicator. I guess I can push this update. I don't know. Here, let me see. What is updated in this latest version? What are you guys all trading on right now, by the way? Which props? I'm on Apex, Lucid, TBT, Alpha, Tradeify. I think that's it. Pretty sure that's it. Apex, Toss Up, Lucid. Nice. There you go. Are Apex rules bad? I mean, they're not bad. They're challenging. They're just challenging. All rules are challenging in some degree. But like, if you get to that 6 payout, it's fucking crazy, man. You know? Like, it gets crazy. You get to that fucking payout, huh? Right, I need to save all my colors, all my purdy colors. Alright. Cool. Alright. I'm gonna update my indicator, but I don't want to. Whatever, I don't care. What the fuck? What is going on? What is going on here? I get it. So annoying. See if this works. Nope. Bam. Wow, it's really cracking down right now. This is crazy. It's brazy, dog. There we go. That should work. Huh? Dude, come on. Not like this. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Bang. 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 There we go. Yes. Bang. Okay. That should be 3 to 11:30. New York, I guess, can be 7 to 16. But no, New York. Why do I have it at 7? I don't want this to be at 8. I'm trying to think. Let's do New York at 8. Tokyo at 19. 3. Okay. I think we got it all suited and booted now. I think we're ripping. We are ripping. Bang, 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 bang. Bang. Let's make this purple. Pink. That works. Okay, cool. Now we got it. Bang. Save it. That's not what I want at all. God, I always press that button now. Okay, cool. There we go. We got the 1 hour mid, Asia low, Asia high. Got the New York. Look at that. Look at how descriptive that is. Regular trading hours low, previous day low. Isn't that great? We can separate between the regular trading hours low and the previous day low in after hours now. Isn't that beautiful? I don't know. It makes me happy that we can do that now. And the previous close? Fuck yeah. Let's go. Previous day mid. Where's the previous day close? Shouldn't it be right here? Update's not out yet. Daily previous close. Oh, right here. Why is that there? Oh, see, we found a bug. Why is that there? Why is the previous day close there? That's not right. So where do you think that we should put the previous day close? Where would you guys like the previous day close? Like regular trading hours previous day close right here? Like, shouldn't the previous day close be literally right there? Where would you guys like the previous day close? Regular trading hours close. Okay. So we need to have, okay, let me add that to the notes here. Previous session close. Okay. We need. So what is the number on NASDAQ that should be the previous day close? Somebody type in what the number is of the previous day close. Because should it be that one or should it be, I mean, it should be, what's the difference between previous day close and regular trading hours close? You know what I mean? Because right now we have the previous day close for some reason at 786 quarters. So that's the part that we need to all figure out here. What y'all want in this indicator. We are sending it lower now. It's actually moving. 762.50. It's at 786 quarters, so I don't know where it's pulling that from. I gotta figure that out. Pre-day close. PDC. Huh. I'll have to look into it. Fun stuff, though. Don't we close at 4:59? I mean, we have regular trading hours close, and then we have the 5 p.m. close. And this thing... Let me see. Maybe if I refresh. Wait, hold on. What the hell? Is it working now? Wait, am I high on drugs? What the fuck is going on here? Is it working now? It was broken. But here, so we have the previous day close now at... where is it pulling that from? So GLOBEX is here. Yeah, it is working. Crazy. Okay, so previous day is working. Okay, so we'll do regular trading hours low, or regular trading hours close. That's what we'll do. Did it delete my indicator again? Don't tell me. No, it didn't. Okay, good. Cool. Okay. It's working. It just looked weird. Ripson, why are you not banning these people? I don't understand. Like, why are you not banning these people? Some fucking dude comes in here. I'm dancing. Come watch me dance. How about no? Am I always gonna live in Vegas? I've lived in a lot of places. I love Vegas the most. Is he doing the helicopter? I don't think so. Okay, so we tagged 54 off those lows there. We're just violently range bound right now. Thoughts on old we've spent like 30 minutes talking about that, homie. Jaxie. Rewind the stream. GLOBEX price action so weak. Sometimes a 16 lot bid scares everyone. It's crazy, huh? It's nuts. I see it, 775. You just got here. You know the stream's been going for an hour and a half. Where you been for the last 90 minutes? Living your life? That's inexcusable, my friend. That's unbelievable. Why not have a previous day close and New York close? We have that. Previous day close. And then we have the regular trading hours. We're going to do an RTH close. We're going to do that. That's the only thing. So. Traded silver today, got clapped. I thought NQ was volatile. Don't trade silver, man. What are you trading silver in anyway? Which prop firm are you trading silver in? Rips Model dropped the link for the free indicator if anybody wants it. Who's buying the short? Not me. I was watching. Am I going to be playing WPT this year? I might be playing WSOP. We'll see. It's tournaments for me are just so boring unless they're like significant. Maybe I'll play like a high roller tournament, but then the field is just like so many fucking mutants, dude. These guys who are like tournament players. Tournament players are like these ICT prop firm traders. I'm not even kidding. They'll have like their Hendon mob will say like $10 million in winnings, but it's like they're like in makeup to their backers. That's the funny part. I guess a lot of people are going to have no idea what I'm talking about. But if you know poker, you know what I'm talking about. It's crazy work, dude. Da-da-da-da-da-da. It's true, man. What's up, Duper Dave? How are you, buddy? Do you know Daniel? I mean, does Daniel happen to have a last name? A lot of Daniels in this world. Crazy world out here. Let me ask you a question, bro. Do you know Mohammed? Hey, real talk, man. Have you ever met a guy named John before? Who's Daniel? Who are we talking about? Daniel whom? Do you know Daniel? What do you mean steak isn't just a great food? Is it closer to New York or by train? Do you know Donald? Sometimes. They take 30 seconds, every decision look balanced. Dude, those mutants, tournament mutants are next level. Last year, I wanted to blow my brains out when I was playing that tournament. I played for 3 days. I got 16th place. I cashed for fucking 20K or some bullshit. Very small amount of money for 3 days of trading, or 3 days of playing poker. I lost a lot of sleep too, because it was like I was streaming in the morning and then going and play the tournament from like fucking 10 o'clock in the morning till 2 o'clock in the morning. And I busted out. Up top was like 600,000 or 700,000, I feel like. I got busted out in 16th place. Terrible. Waste of time. D-Negs. Yeah, I know D-Negs. I have not played cash with D-Negs before. The pieces they sell to ploy the high rollers can cause so many to own more than they win is great. Yeah, dude, that's how it is, dude. You know. You're out here, aren't you? Dude, it's funny because there's legitimately people, I'm not going to name names, but there are people on Hendon Mob that have like $11 million in career earnings and they're currently in makeup to their backers. It's pathetic. It's crazy town. I've never been staked. I've never been backed. It's always been me. Any other real no BS traders you would recommend for study? ICT, man. I tried to say that with a straight face. Not sure. I don't know. I'm sure there's some other people out there. There's a lot. What am I saying? Well, no, there's like 5. I don't know. There's some good people out there, I think. What's his name? Oh, I went to dinner with them. Carmine and Vincent Deciano. I went to dinner with them. They're good dudes. They trade real, I think. I mean, I think Vince does. I think Carmine, I'm pretty sure. I haven't like seen their... They were very good people, so I would assume. I don't know. I just got to be careful what I say now. There's just so many people. I would never think that they're fake. They're very good people. Am I done trading? I don't know. If we start breaking lower, there's a chance where we can start really rolling. I missed the best setup, which was this drop. I could have at least got in like here or something. But right now it's just paltry. Tomorrow the markets are going to be open, and why not wait for tomorrow? You know, we can always wait for tomorrow. Spends 5 seconds going up and 10 minutes going down. It's fucking insane, huh? It's crazy. I hate this type of price action. But you know, it'll probably pick up in like 20 minutes, 25 minutes if you guys want to stick around for that. Could be juicy. Vegas, I saw you once fly by me in the Ferrari. I was only going the speed limit, man. I would never drive fast in that thing. I am only driving the speed. You were just going extra slow. That was the thing. A lot of the X-Floor guys I do not trust at all either. There's a lot of the X-Floor guys, ask them for their broker statement. Oh, I don't show that because, you know, I trade so big and I make so much money. I just don't want you to be like jealous. Like, I'm trying to support you on your journey type shit. You know, ask them for their broker statement. Those floor trader guys. Oh, you know, I'd show it, but fuck, I can't. If there's somebody that's charging you for a service, ask them for a broker statement. It should be easy to produce. It takes me less than 10 seconds to go on AMP and get my broker statement. Literally. Same, it applies for everybody. This is a blanket statement for all of the old floor dinosaurs. Ask them for a broker statement. If they don't give you a broker statement, but instead they're happy to give you excuses, I mean, then you should be okay with spending your money on Easter Bunny shit. Do you know? If they're not producing broker statements, why are they not doing that? If they're charging you money for a service, they should owe you a broker statement, in my opinion. Ham's dash is so fucking slow. No, it's not, dude. It is not. It takes not any time at all. You get in there, you get in with your 2FA, you click, click, click. It's not that slow. It's definitely slower, but it's not that slow. Like, I'm sorry, but if you're selling a service, it's the same thing. Like, to produce any type of proof is very simple to do. It's really not difficult. Oh, I gotta check with my lawyer. I gotta consult with my counsel to show you my own trading. No, you don't. AMP is not from 2001. Their dashboard is not from 2001. I get it. It's a little bit slow sometimes, but it's not because of their technology. It's just their servers are a little bit slow. Sometimes. Maybe if you're accessing on the weekend. I remember there's like one day where it's like kind of slow. Outside of that, you know. It's a different world. Floor traders, by and large, cannot adapt. They just teach. Correct. That is correct. 100% correct. I agree with you that 100%. 100%. A lot of those floor traders just literally just be like, yo, I want to join your service. Can I see last year's broker statement? Can I see last year's 1099? I'm about to pay you, $600 a month here. Let me see last year's broker statement. You were profitable. Let's see it. Oh, geez, I can't do that. Why? You're charging me money. Can I not see it? Oh, different strokes for different folks, though. If you're happy with giving your money to somebody like that, go for it. Who am I to stop you? Geez, I can't find it. Can't find it. Well, what the fuck are you reporting on your taxes then? What are you reporting on your taxes, dude? Oh, the IRS can't find it either, I guess. Do you think Dave has ever showed a statement? Who the fuck is Dave? Dave Coulier? Alanis Morissette's ex-boyfriend? I don't know if he's a trader. That's a good question, man. We should look into Dave Coulier. War pending, tariff instability. Oh, well. Yeah, markets are still going to move, man. Trades are still going to happen until the bombs drop. Who's the coolest person you've met and why? My wife. She's the coolest person I've ever met in my life. And so I decided to say, hey, is it cool if we just don't ever leave each other and we always hang out and then you end up sleeping in the same bed as me for the rest of your life? Would that be chill? And she was like, I guess. That was it, man. The coolest person I've ever met in my life. That was it. Dave, the cut it out guy? Who the fuck is cut it out? I don't know any of these people, man. She said, I guess, is the new, she said. She was like, all right, that's fine. Dude, what? You guys are insane. Phoenix Force says, I knew Rips was legit when I barely knew about him because Nick Wright was talking about playing poker with him, and I know Nick Wright is a high roller. There you go. Nick Wright's a cool dude, but he didn't follow me back on Twitter, so I unfollowed him. Next time I see him, I'm going to give him shit. Tell him to fucking follow me. I unfollowed his ass. I was like, fine. You don't follow me? Fuck you, man. Have I played with Rampage before? All the time. Played with him a bunch. I haven't played with him recently. He fucking bluffed the shit out of me one time and I completely had a brain fart. It's like an $80,000 pot and he bluffed the shit out of me. He fucking suicided bluffed with 7 high. I think I had a pair. But then like after the fact, I was like, what am I doing? Like, why would I not call? It's fucking Rampage. Out of all the people to call, that's a snap call. The most suicide bluff you've ever seen in your life. Like literally no pair, no draw, just complete fucking error. I didn't call him. I think it was the last pot we played together too. I was so upset. I think that's actually a televised hand too. I'm pretty sure. I gotta start doing an FAQ of whatever we talk about. It'd be cool if, it'd be a great piece of streaming software where I could just be like, oh yeah, click this link to watch that chaptered version of the stream that we did 30 minutes ago. My good friends within the poker space, a lot of them, dude, it's a very tight space. They're all good people. For instance, I ran into Mr. Keating this weekend at the High Limit Bar at fucking 1 o'clock in the morning at Aria. Everybody, Vegas is a very small community. It's very small. AI rips out? Nah, that's no fun. Ding, 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 ding. Nos has a casino out in Vegas? Like Nasty Nos? You're talking like Illmatic Nos? When did Nos start a casino? What's it called? Uncle Rip, since when you trade Asia? Since you showed up, player. Ever since you showed up. He must be fun to be around. Nos? Yeah. I had no idea that Nos had a casino. Can we push to 815? You're talking about the price of NQ or our viewership? We need to get those numbers up. I didn't know I gotta see this. Casino. Nos Casino Vegas. I mean, he's partnered with Resorts World, but he might have invested, but he's doing something in Queens. I don't see, I don't know. You think online poker is rigged? There's people who use solvers and everything. But, I mean, when I played on Ultimate Bet back in the day, there was people who were actively cheating with God mode and shit like that. I don't know if that's still going on. I played online poker a lot when I was younger. The online poker now is not the same. It's just not the same. It's not even close. It's two different games now. It's kind of like back in the day when you were playing like FPS online games versus now it's like there's professionals and it's sweaty and there's like griefing and lobbies that are like just full fucking sweaty lobbies. It's just not fun. Are solvers allowed in online play? No, they're not supposed to be, but people still use them. I would never want to play like exclusively online. You know what I mean? Like it just sounds miserable. Like if my job was to wake up and fucking multi-table 8 tables of fucking 10-20 no limit. Sounds miserable. Back in the day though, that was the shit because people were dog shit at poker back in the day. I was playing with Phil Ivey. It was great. It was limited, but it was fun. And I bluffed his ass. It felt good. I mean, bluffing with a draw, I think. I had a draw. Win top 7. Might be holding your breath for a while on that one, homie. So Apex PA 30% roll apply after the buffer. No, it's every single trade in your PAs. Corey Eyring. No, but I've seen the other dude. The guy who thinks he's so fucking cool. Frankie. Frankie C. Guy who looks like a fucking vampire. I've seen him in real life. He's a fucking weirdo. What's a solver? It's shows you what to do in every single seat and every single situation. It's ruined poker, man. Have you ever been to UFC Apex? I don't even know what that is. How was my weekend? It was good. It's too short, man. It's way too short. Have I met Toji? I was supposed to, but then we didn't. I don't think I've ever seen him in person. No, I have not. One of my friends, you remember Rozzy? Rozzy was supposed to, we were supposed to like meet up with Toji or something. It just didn't happen. I don't really care to. It's not on my list. I don't really care to meet that many people, if I'm being honest. I don't really care. Really only see the Staples brothers doing online poker content. Oh, dude, is Staples the biggin? The massive dude? When we slide in a car, I don't know, man. How do you use a silver? No, solver. There's go check out GTO Wizard if you want information about a solver. It's nonsense, dude. It's pointless. Pure, unfettered nonsense. Waste of time. I wonder if there's anything for us to trade here, though. It's so boring. It just goes into these consolidatory areas. Like, this is an 8-handle consolidation right now. It's so boring. You know what, though? 10 minutes. Why don't we do a prediction? Let's get going on a prediction here. Fucking let's gamble, baby. Let's do one for... What time is it going to be? 8:06 p.m. Let's go. 8:06 p.m. Now we're talking. Nobody even asked me to gamble. You guys are nuts. Watch this. Watch this number. What's up, Julius? How are you, baby? Has to be the dumbest thing ever that came out with the solver. It's annoying, dude. I hate GTO players. Fucking GTO knit robot fucks. How come nobody's gambling? Did I do something wrong? The numbers are correct. Okay, there we go. People are gambling now. Ever play the casino chicken game? I play. I gamble on Kick. When I'm live on Kick, I gamble. So I play a lot of casino games. I kind of want to play tonight, if I'm being honest. It is getting late though. I mean, I'll wait until tomorrow. I'll look forward to it. I didn't gamble today on Yeet. I did take a withdrawal because I made so much money on Friday. The most money I've made on casino in a long time. Nobody has to pay the points. I mean, dude, it's crazy. Y'all are points broke right now. What's up, Jal? What is it? Jal Marazi. Jal Marazi? With 3 eyes. Okay. 10 minutes, top of the hour. Maybe we can get one good trade. We get one shot at this. One possibility. One possibility, baby. Thoughts on the NBA cheaters? NBA players caught cheating in poker? Fucking roast those guys. They weren't caught cheating though. It was they were playing in games. Wasn't it? They were playing in games that other people were cheating or something. I forget now what even the scandal was, but I feel like they were playing in games that they were being cheated themselves. I don't think they were doing the cheating. You know, locking up till New York on these 962 on these Lucid Blacks need like 300 pounds. Let's go, baby. I got my Lucid Black accounts to trade, but I haven't touched them tonight. By the way. Where's my banner for that thing? Dun, 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 dun. I don't know why it's always gone. Hold on. The host was cheating. They were just from it. I thought that they were victims of the cheats. They were victims, right? Weren't the NBA players victims of the cheating? They didn't know that they were cheat. Did they know? I don't remember. I think maybe one of them knew or something. They did know, right? Yeah. Now I remember a little bit. Wasn't like it wasn't like Chauncey Billups or something. Oh yeah, they were doing the point shaving and shit like that too. Let them know, gringo. It's crazy. It's crazy, huh? It's crazy work, dog. Damn, we are pushing up now. Dude, why is it like whenever we give up on the trading, we always get like these fucking just crazy sweet moves? It's all good. We got 8 minutes till the top of the hour, champs. 8 minutes. 8 more minutes. W dinner this weekend, man. Great talking to you for real. Wait, Julius. Oh, Julius, what's up, baby? How are you? I didn't even realize that was you, man. What's cracking? How's that flowing mane of beautiful blonde hair? My man. I'm very tired. That's why I didn't even recognize. I was like, oh shit. Anybody ever throw an orange in front of your name? Call you Orange Julius? That's a very regal name, by the way. Julius. Short for Jules. Me too, bro. I just woke up. I'm fucking jealous, man. Does something typically happen around 8 p.m.? Yeah, man. A lot of more liquidity is going to come in. Isn't it the official Nikkei open? Isn't that like Nikkei regular trading hours or something? I don't know. Isn't it? It's something, man. I'm too tired to think. Let me lose my comfy job for a few extra bucks on the side and say, yeah, I know, man. It's crazy. Those NBA players are nuts. Dixie starts back up. China opens. Okay, that's what it was. China opens. Thank you. I don't know why I have Asia. I guess this is like the pre-market then. Should I change this? Shouldn't I change the Tokyo session to open at 8 then? I don't know. Maybe I just leave it. I thought it was another hour for Asia. Tokyo opens at 7. I don't know. There's too many moving parts, man. We'll just see what happens at 8. Hopefully something cool happens in 6 minutes. I'll be here for it. Maybe we can press a few buttons too. Tokyo at 8, Hong Kong at 8:30. Wasn't there a Hanna-Barbera cartoon called Hong Kong Phooey that used to air at 8:30 in the morning on Saturdays? Random little thing floating around my brain. Feel like spinning my wheels trading a 150k eval. I won. It will take 13k to start making profits for me, but I'm up 1500 for 2 days. Why is it going to take you so much? I'm so confused. Why would it take you so much? Oddly specific? I don't know, man. My brain's weird like that. Big old dump would be sick. I'm short. There's only one place where that sentence doesn't sound weird, and I guess it's in a trading chat. Like if you went like into the middle of a restaurant and you shouted at the top of your lungs and you're like, a big old dump would be sick. Haha, I'm short. I think people would give you weird looks. You know what I mean? People would be like, somebody's got to call the police on this guy. That's a weird thing to say in the middle of a restaurant standing on top of a table. But I guess you wouldn't jump on top of a table to say that. It'd be funnier if you did. It would add to the effect of madness, you know? I have a liquidity event coming. It's going to be a big old dump. I yelled, don't close your shorts in public last month. That's a scary one. Please, sir, don't close your shorts. Leave them open. Somebody video doing that at a cafe. It'd be a lot better than most of the other videos out there. Maybe we'll do a short. Keep talking about dumps. It's working. It is working, actually. Dude, the range that we are in the NASDAQ right now is disgusting. The S&P range is actually far better than the NASDAQ, believe it or not. I should just trade the S&Ps for GLOBEX, maybe. Tokyo opens at 7. Liquidity builds strong by 8:30, 9:30. I'm not going to stay that late, man. That's way past my bedtime. Kevin says, I hate a liquidity event when I think I have to fart. It's not a fart, my friend. That's a shark. Liquidity event. Oh, this is a vibey song right here. Okay, I remember what I was going to do now. Copper is good? I don't know. Nothing's good right now, man. The market is very much range bound right now. There's literally nothing worth trading. All right, let me grab this. Bang, bang. There we go. How many people already took advantage of that? Doesn't need to be that huge. There we go. How many people took advantage of that on Lucid? Hands in the air if you did. Herb, you been trading trade day accounts? I blew it, man. I blew it on day one. And I haven't gone back since. Day one, I put on a trade and then it just was terrible. That's the deal of the century right there. Or the night, whatever. The deal of the century. Bought 2 earlier, hit DLL. Dude, we're DLL brothers today. I hit maximum loss limit in my Apex accounts. The saddest thing ever. I think that's where all of my excitement went. I haven't touched my new Apex PAs. I'm glad that I didn't. I probably would have blown them if I was trading them in this type of price action. Got 2 Lucid Flexes. They've been weird with my trade copier. Which trade copier are you using? What trade copier are you using? Apex PA. For some reason, my quantity was set to 50 still. It's not an excuse because I should be looking at my quantity thing. I picked up my stream deck thinking that my quantity was at, we got inside 1 minute, thinking my quantity was at 1 micro. It was at 50 micros, and I go, and I'm looking at Bookmap when I'm doing this, and then I look down and I go, holy fuck. Like that. And there's no like undo, there's no mulligans, there's no whoops. It's, you're fucked. What's up, Chandi? Yeah, I know, dude. I was so close to getting a payout too. Today was day 6, man. So fucking close to getting a payout. The balances were at like $3,800 or something in each one. I was literally like I was knocking on the door of a payout. All right, 10 seconds. Here we go. 10 seconds. Let's see if there's any. Jesus. See if there's anything to trade. Here we go. We're gonna get some news, some China news, PBOC news. Let's see. China should go crazy here. Unchanged for the monthly loan prime rate, the LPR. I would have been pissed off. Well, it's better than being pissed on. It's my fault, dude. I got to look at the order quantity. It's just dumb. It's just one of those things where, like, I probably saw it, like, in my mind's eye. I was, like, convincing myself that it was a 1, because why would it not be a 1? But we found out today, whatever you leave your quantity at last, even if you close the window and you reload it, it's going to be set to whatever quantity you had it. So, yeah. Yeah. This is nonsense. So this is not doing anything. Trying to get pissed on a golden shower. Golden shower, I think we've hit one good time. Golden shower was chill. I almost pressed the button, but I'm thinking, like, I don't really want to press the button. I kind of don't even want to trade for the rest of the night. I kind of want to just save it for tomorrow, you know? GC's the only thing moving. Let's see. Of course. Well, is it really though? I don't know. It's kind of moving. Let me see. I mean, that's very gross. It's moving, but it's not clean. It's very gross. NASDAQ, on the other hand, might be getting some cleanliness here. We're right at the VWAP. We're right at the VWAP right now. All right, let's try it. I can't help myself. I'm going for a break of VWAP trade. Sometimes I just can't help myself. Even if we go into tomorrow, it's just like a little bit red, you know? Can't be that bad. Let's see if they have any kind of continuation in this at all. Because we have a lot of stuff right below us at 790 evens. A lot of levels. It would make a lot of sense for us to interact with it. I mean, that takes some serious skill right there. That takes serious skill. Look at that. Literally the dead bottom. Do you see that? That's insane. That takes serious skill, baby. All right, let's see if we can add up here. Looking for an add. All right, adding right here. Want to see us sweep down to that 800 level again. We rejected at the 1 hour mid. What are these fills that it gives us, by the way? I guess because the spreads are so wide, we get some wonky fills. ES gonna retest VWAP. Wow, everything's just frozen in time right now. Completely frozen in time. Dude, the NASDAQ GLOBEX chart looks like absolute trash. Looks just like a heartbeat. Sinusoidal rhythms. Nobody wants to play for GLOBEX, I guess. This is like dead. So dead. Why don't you give it just like one little move? Dun, 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 dun. Monday Asia low. Aren't they just gonna chop around that for a few minutes, trigger everyone in? I would love to see them bring it back down to Asia low. That would be lovely. That would pickle my peppers, dude. If we got that, be very happy about that. This is just like drifting fucking 3 points right now. I thought for sure we'd get some movement top of the hour and everything. Boy, was I wrong. Market always does this after a big move in New York. I mean, but this ain't New York. I mean, it doesn't really, you know. We're right above the VWAP. See if we can get that little flush through 800 here. And then we just go to Tinkletown. Yes. No, don't stop. Just please. This is so frustrating. How slow they take this shit. It's back at 57. This was an area earlier, 57. Like, it's just so annoying how dumb this is. God, GLOBEX, never change. You're the best, man. Now do me a favor and launch 10 points out of nowhere. Take 400 hours to go up, or I'm sorry, to go down, and then launch fucking out of nowhere. Why not, right? Yep, here comes the launch. Yeah. Where do you think my cover was? 795 evens. I'm just gonna start ripping it out at a market order. There's no point. There's no nobility in covering on the bid in GLOBEX. It just is so pointless. It's completely pointless. There's zero nobility in doing that bullshit. Let's get real tight in here and let's watch the fuckery of how they just refuse to trade it at regular intervals. Could we just push on it, like maybe 2 contracts at 800 and see what happens? Nah, let's throw up 22. Let's fuck them up. Let's throw up 22 contracts at 801. Nobody's gonna take that, man. That's the one. Straight to 810, please. That's the one. There they go. They put it back up. Does nobody want to swipe it? Like, not a single person on planet Earth wants to take those 31 contracts. They're so nice, too. They're so beautiful. 31 whole contracts that you could just slam right into, and they would absorb it. Back to the mid. I mean, this is special. This is special. Let's be honest. This is special. This is extra special. Oh, there they go. They moved it. Shocker. This is some of the lowest liquidity trash I've seen at... I mean, we even waited for 8 p.m., didn't we? We waited for this. We said, show me what you got. And this is what they gave us. So shocking. There's your 810. Shocker. Sit down there at 796. I'm like, they're probably going to send this thing right back to 810, aren't they? Somebody really wants to cover down there too, and they're just not letting it push right through. Look at that. They're like triple stacking it. This is ridiculous. Bunch of mongoloids on the tape. Use Spursy to make some money on the propaganda. I mean, that's just so ridiculous. Unless it's like funded. It's just absurd to do something like that. You know, like, it has to make so much sense. Let's see if we can get just one little tickle to my TP. Just a little bit of a tickle. After all of that kerfuffleation up top. Like, you guys made your points. You all put your bids there. You chased it back up. You made your point. You all got short on the offer there. Ah, just for fuck's sake, get on with it. Gold's dumping. Anything is doing something. The shit that I'm not trading. Let's look at gold. No, it's not. Get out of here. Gold is not dumping. It's bouncing. Anything that I'm trading right now is just sitting here doing absolutely fuck all. All right, let's see. Press a little bit, guys. Press a little bit. More than one contract to the downside. Just press it a little bit. There you go. Hey, haha, we win. Fuck you, market makers. Suck my dick. God, idiots. Why are they doing the daily yuan at fucking 8:15? The daily yuan fixing. Let's see. Actually, you know what? I don't want to waste my time anymore with GLOBEX. Anybody have any trading related questions? There's just no point. There's just no point. It's so annoying. It's so fucking annoying. There's just no point to trade this shit. Look at this slop. Look at it on the 10-second chart. This is. What is that? Wrong button. Look at this. Look at this. This is a 10-second bar right here. I'm not shitting you. Look at that. That's a 10-second bar right there. What is that? How long have you been with her? That's what that is. Not long enough, man. That's nonsense. Look at copper, Rips. Okay, fine. You're screaming about it. I see it, man. I don't trade copper. Sorry. I see it. Yes, copper. Up 0.0660. I don't even know what that represents. I've never traded copper. I'm sure it's fantastic, but ain't my thing. This is my thing, you see? This is where I like to get my feet wet. Right there in the midst of that nonsense. Does your stop position, it's always based around market structure. Always market structure. No beats? What are these then? This is a song where you're like sneaking. We were talking about it earlier, like a guy told me he tripped and fell into a box. This is the song that he was listening to. He was creeping in the alley, randomly fell a box to just slide right into. Channel points, channel points, channel points! Rips! I think the overs won. The overs won? Okay, let's pay the overs. I can't believe the overs won, guys. The overs win. Unbelievable. The overs win again. Unbelievable. Let's pay the overs. All right, guys, let's pay the overs. It looks like, oh, dude, it's trading at 29,000. Oh, the overs win for sure. All right, I'm going to pay the overs. Let's do it. I paid the unders. Chill out. God. You guys are animals. How do you pay the channel points? You get over to Kick. Get on over to Kick. That's where the party's at. Stop. You're scared. I did pay the channel points incorrectly one time. I really did. Gold rolling. I mean, you guys are talking about gold. We'll trade gold if you want. Here we go. You ready? Let's fucking trade gold. Everybody's screaming about gold. Let's go on and go red for the end of the night. Fucking trade gold, trade gold, trade gold. Rivers, you gotta trade gold. All right, here we go. Getting into gold. Boy, I hope we don't bounce at 5,200 here. Wouldn't that be a shame? Gold's rolling, man. Trade gold. You gotta trade gold. Rips, you gotta trade gold, man. Gold is the wave. Dude, trade gold, please. All right, here we go. We're trading gold. There you go. We're trading gold, guys. You wanted it, now you get it. Look at that. You made me look at gold and look at what's happening. We're consolidating. Nothing. Literally nothing. This is incredible. Look at gold going sideways because I looked at it. It's amazing. Whee! I mean, you guys that were trading gold, why are you telling me to look at it? Because it's just going to go fucking sideways now that I'm looking at it. Soybeans! Trade soybeans. I don't know why. Like, why do you want me to ruin the gold trade for you guys? Go look at gold. We need it to go sideways for the next 6 hours. Please look at gold. We needed to go sideways. It was moving so nice. We wanted to go sideways. Please, Rips, please. Gold was moving too pure. Yeah, there we go. Bang. Got him. Fuck yeah. Thank you for pointing out gold. Who was that pointed out gold? Hold on, let me see here. It was Ripsmod. Wow, Ripsmod. Thanks, Ripsmod. Nobody else called out gold but Ripsmod. What the fuck? I'm going to turn back on the swear filter for everybody who doesn't have a house. I'll do it. If you don't have a house, you don't have a sub house, all right, I'm going to turn it back on. I'm going to turn back on the mother filter. You. I'll do it. Jesus. Eat my fucking spoon. I can't believe you guys told me to close gold. It's still going. You see this, right? It's still going. Why would you tell me to close gold when it's still going? Kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I need to turn this thing off. This is really annoying now. Who said trade gold? Seriously. See, everybody with a house can hear me say, but people without the house can't hear me say. I'll turn it back on. That did anything but consolidate, by the way. I'll have you know. That did not consolidate. Regular trading hours previous day low is coming up right now. Do you think we go for more? Should we juice it? Wait, you held that NQ short. Don't tell me NQ went now too. This is nonsense. We should have just been gold traders the whole time. What were we thinking? What were we thinking? Whoever said to trade gold, thank you, just made 1.7K. That was me, brother. That was me. I was the one. It was me. I said, hey, everybody, we're trading gold now. Not a single person in chat called it out. I'm disappointed in you guys, chat. I'm disappointed. I can't believe that I had to turn you guys on to gold tonight. It's unbelievable. The shit I do for you guys, it's unbelievable. It was me. Uh-oh, we're bouncing now. Look at that. It's a boner candle Randall. Oh, damn, silver went too, huh? Shocker. I think gold was slightly more exaggerated than silver. Wait, were you guys short? No, we all went long. And we stood on our heads and we all made money because we're standing on our heads. What do you think? Try another. Yeah, let's take another one here. Let's get down and dirty with some gold. Get little nugget, little snack here. Let's see. Another delicious morsel. See if we can, I want to hold underneath 5190. Let's see if we hold underneath 5190 here. I'd love it if we did. Boy, howdy, it'd be nice. I just realized, Mike, that's what's going on. Give me a second here. We have some news coming in 1 minute's time here. Let's see how this shakes out here. Show me potato salad. Boy, howdy do I want it. Give me the little break of 80s. That's all we need. No sideways nonsense. Just a little. Yes, just like that. Just like that. Just a little bit harder, though. A little bit softer now. A little bit harder now. Just do one little order. There you go. You filled a lot of me, didn't you? Bang, we're out. Ha ha! Got him again. Sweet. Just a little juicer. Mmm. Headshot. That's right. Got him. Gold is way better than NASDAQ for this GLOBEX session. It is way, way better. I gotta go back and say, oh God, NASDAQ is just, look at this freaking, who gave the NASDAQ a blue chew? What is this? Who gave NASDAQ a blue chew? Ripsy, your streams are fun. It's because you're here, baby. What are you using to see those lines high, mid, low? That is my fancy pants indicator, Playboy. It is called Rips Key Levels. It's available for the low, low price of free. Available now on all TradingView platforms. Sick of NQ going down? Well, grab yourself a blue chew and check it out. It's gonna catch a bone skis. Ooh, I like this song. All right, I feel better now. I'm glad we didn't leave. I'm glad we stuck around. We lost like 100 people because I was lying about me leaving. I was like, I'm gonna leave and I'm going home. I'm gonna take my ball and go home. And everybody left and they're like, wait, how did that happen? Sucks to leave. How long have you been trading futures? This is my third week. Third week of futures. It's going okay. No, it's been a while. It's been a long time. Years and years. I'm just joshing you, bud. Wait, how large is that? That's what she said. Hold on. Hold on. God, I hate doing shit when you have to pee really, really fucking bad. It's super annoying. Rips, you know the poker player Airball? Yeah, we're homies. Me and Nick. That's my guy right there. Nick Airball. What the fuck is, where is the damn thing I'm looking for? God. Is it not in here? You have to pee so fucking bad too. Oh God, I'm never gonna find it. I'm just never gonna find what I'm looking for. Do it like this. Silver and gold still going down, or we still look at I got the wrong screen up. Oh man, look at that. Did the perfect kiss of death at 90s again. Okay, I'm gonna pee after this. There it goes. Yes, we did it. There it is. Bang, bang. Perfect. Okay, be right back. All right, I'm back. Look at gold. Look at gold still going, dog. We should have done a gamble points on gold. You guys want to do that before I go? A little channel gamble on gold points? Let's do it. What time is it? Dude, let's do one for 8:36. Gun, gun, gun. It's nice seeing something fucking moving finally. Jesus. I'm gonna give you 1 minute. Here you go. 1 minute. Bang. You get 1 minute. Where are you going? Nowhere, baby. I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm going anywhere. All right. See what you, yeah, NQ is a trash bag. Although it is kind of moving again. I mean, dude, this is a fucking abysmal GLOBEX. Look at this. Look at crap, dude. That is fucking garbage. That is untradeable dog shit. Well, range traders would like that. Shanghai open in 5 minutes. Let's see. Channel gamble points are live on kick.com if you want to gamble. It's free. It's free. Get yourself a free prop firm account with those gamble points. You're a versatile trader, loving it? Yeah, I mean, if you're a range trader, yeah. I just can't stand that shit, man. It's horrible for me. Doom, 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 doom. What do you think about Carmine? I think he's good. I had dinner with him. I think he's good. Never like seen broker statements other than what he's posted, but I think he's great from what he's reported. So, you know, he reads the markets in the same ways that I do. Rips woke up. Well, I woke up just so I can go to bed shortly. That's what's going on here. Edgy and Best says, a damn flu got me too, Ribs. First time this year. It sucks. Dude, I'm sorry, man. That's a bunch of nonsense. How old are you? I'm 1 year older than I was last year. Dude, I didn't trade my Apexes one single time during this whole GLOBEX. Well, you know, we can only trade NQ, so I'm not really missing much. I was just thinking for a second. I was like, oh, I could have traded gold on these things. No, I can't trade gold. That's still a thing, right? Right? You can't trade gold on Apex still, right? How do you get the flu in Las Vegas? Isn't it hot all the time? I fucking wish it was, man. It's been like 6 months of fucking winter out here. Been miserable, dude. Miserable. Like, that's a fucking understatement, too. Miserable, bro. It's been like 6 months of freezing fucking cold. Horrible. Horrible. Like right now. Where's my phone? I mean, it's not that cold right now, but like, fuck, dude. For the last 6 months, it's been a bunch of dog shit. Hated it. Tell us how you really feel, right? Fucking hated it. Horrible, bro. Bunch of fucking nonsense. Oh, happy birthday. Thanks, man. Even though it's not my birthday, I'll still take a fucking happy birthday. Let's go. It was 80 degrees here in Charleston, South Carolina this past weekend. Unusual. Last night, 20. That's crazy. How's your sinuses holding up with that? I'd be all over the place. When is your buy? I don't know, man. Never really done that. Made the first $1 million Las Vegas and 80 slipping mobile home parks. That's dope, Johnny. Earth Day. Earth Day, I think, is on April 20th. Earth Day. Stopped up as hell. Yeah, dude, that's crazy. That's a huge fluctuation. Wait, what? Wasn't there supposed to be data at the bottom of the hour? Wasn't there supposed to be some that's happening here? I mean, yeah, that's the whole point, right? CME is not metals. Metals are COMEX. Isn't, what's on NYMEX? Isn't NYMEX silver and COMEX is gold? Right? Isn't that right? I don't know. I'm too retarded. What's NYMEX then? What am I thinking of? Platinum? What's on NYMEX? Oh, crude. That's what I'm thinking of. Sorry. Oh boy. Thoughts on volume profile trading? It's the way I trade. All right, well, gold's not doing anything. I'm gonna pay the channel points gamble in 5 minutes here, and then I'm done. Anybody have any trading related questions? It's 666 right now. 666. Get it dun 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 dun. Yeah, I just got hit by the tires by like got smacked across the face in the tires right now. I'm very tired. Hey, did I not post? Oh shit. I didn't post my video. Hold on. We've been posting a lot of content lately. There's more content going up tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. is when my short goes live where I did the big ass trade. Caffeine crash. I didn't have any caffeine this afternoon. Teach me to read order flow in a nutshell. I would not try to learn order flow inside of a nutshell. You'd probably feel crammed. Personally, I like to be in open spaces when I'm learning order flow. If you try to learn order flow inside of a nutshell, you're going to feel a lot of pressure on your muscles and joints. And I think it's probably going to be pretty difficult to kind of wrap your head around that mentally. So I would recommend doing it in an open space. Try, instead of learning order flow inside of a nutshell, do it in an open meadow or a field. I couldn't do it. I tried so hard to commit to the bit. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. Open meadow and field sent me. It sent me. I don't know. Sometimes I just fucking... It's too late, man. 3 more minutes till we pay out the channel gambles. I think the overs are going to win this one, guys. Oh, man, that was funny to me. Just requested 5K from TBT from the gold short. I hopped in 10 seconds later. I was up 5K. Thanks, Rips. We all appreciate what you just did for everyone. That's right. It was all me. Not a single person in Kick Chat talked about that gold. All me, baby. That's right. All me. Fucking Kick didn't say a goddamn word about it. They didn't even point it out to me. Bunch of selfish jerks. All me. No, it wasn't. It had nothing to do with me, actually. I just happened to catch the ride. That's dope, though. 5K on TPT. That's fucking sick. You're making a sandwich, you missed a gambling? Fuck yeah, you did. You certainly did, sir. You missed all of the good shit. Hopefully I get some sleep tonight. We'll have a more informative GLOBEX tomorrow. Much more informative. Mondays are weird. We get a lot less people showing up on Mondays. Mondays are weird, dude. All right, 836. What do we got? The overs win. Let's go. Wow, there's actually people that bet the unders. You guys are insane. Overs win by a country mile. Let's go. Big overs, baby. Did I repost this video? Let me see. One sec. I thought I did. I did. Perfect. Beautiful. Are y'all liking the content? We're posting a lot of content, man. It seems to be well received. Appreciate you guys that are liking and sharing and commenting. It's very helpful. Not enough content? How can I do more content? I'd be dead. I'm already dead. It's already so much. Any advice for me? My strat naturally calls for mini trades, but when I pass my evals and get funded, I start over trading outside my time windows. I mean, you already know the answer. You just answered it for yourself. Right? Here, I can leave you with some advice. So, you have rules for yourself, right? You set rules for yourself. You set rules for yourself, right? This is for, what's your name? Mr. Max, or yeah, Mr. Max. Mr. Max, you set rules for yourself, right? Those rules in your trading are like laws, right? We set rules in trading like laws. So like maybe one of your laws in trading is like, I never would go long above that level or something, right? You with me, Mr. Max? Dude, if you're doing all this content, growing your channel, don't come out with a course. You really are the people, not the money. I don't have a course, man. I don't have a course, bro. I don't have a course. We lost Mr. Max. I'm sorry. Never cheat your rules. Well, I mean, dude, it's very simple. The rules we set in trading should be treated as trading laws, right? They should be treated as trading laws. Okay? Trading laws. And if you have trading laws, it's very simple, right?
Stop breaking the law, asshole!
There you go. Just that simple. That's all you have to remember. That's it. It's that simple. You're asking me the question of like, hey man, I keep breaking my rules. Well, go back and remember that clip. That's it. When you wake up, triple down that shit. Amen, brother. Just triple down that motherfucker. That's all you need to do, baby. How much was your face payout ever? I don't remember. My first prop payout was in 2023. I think it was Apex, 20K, 2023, man. My first real withdrawal from a real brokerage account back in probably like I think I started trading end of 2013, so probably 2014, first quarter of 2014, probably a few $100,000, which I subsequently probably put right back in. You know? All right, y'all want to do one more coin flip or a coin flip before we go? Y'all want to do a coin flip? I'm down to do a coin flip if you guys are. You're the only live I watch in the morning due to the transparency. Thanks for all you do. Thanks for being here, man. We keep it real, baby. We keeps it real, dog. All right, let's do this. Heads or tails? I'm doing one. I'm not going to do more than one. I promise you this. Okay? Heads or tails. Heads, tails. I'm not doing more than one. This is the only one I'm doing all night. So if you want to gamble, gamble it up. Ribs, have a question. Just started a new two new APT pros. Take a payout. What size are you trading, Henry? What size are your accounts? TPT accounts. What size are you? Congratulations, man. That's fucking huge. You got paid for the last one. Yes. No. Not 23K. Oh, 25K. Okay. Yes. The answer is yes. Take a payout tonight, brother. Tonight. Take the payout tonight. Do not even think about it. Unless, hold on. What was your last dinner date? How much did you spend? You're up 5,600 in each one. I mean, if you went to dinner and your dinner bill was like 10 grand, maybe we can have a different discussion. But what was your last dinner bill when you went out to eat? Because if you say like, okay, well, we ordered like a Krug of Screaming Eagle, or not a Krug, a Magnum of Screaming Eagle, you know, then probably don't take the payout. But, you know, if, you know, sounds like $5,600. I'd take 50. Yeah, $300. Take out 56. Yes, get the payout. You're sitting on 10,000. Well, actually 11,200, and you're in the pros. They're gonna take 20% of that shit. You are gonna have $8,960 in your bank account tomorrow, and you earned it. So do it. You know what you could buy with $8,960? You can get a half-chewed pack of gum. You can get a used shoelace. You could probably get like, I don't know, maybe like a half tube of toothpaste or something. $8,900, man. Now you're talking my language, Vino. Screaming Eagle used to be the shit. I used to love that shit back in the day. I used to love wine. I'm not going to beat around the bush and bullshit. I used to love wine when I drank. Get after it, Henry. Come back tomorrow morning. Let me know how fast they paid you. I'm curious. All right, here we go. This is it. This is the only coin flip we're doing here. The odds are in. Only 37,000 channel points. You guys are pussies. Here we go. Heads or tails? Tails wins. The underdogs won that one. Bang. Since nobody bet, I'm going to do one more. I know I said I was only doing one, but nobody bet. So you get 1 minute. Gamble it up. Come on. Nobody bet. There's freaking barely anybody betting. Barely anybody bet. You moved 175 bottles with me on my last move. I may have a problem. How big is your cellar, brother? How many bottles do you have in your cellar? Like, that's a massive cellar, dude. We're doing it over on Kick, Scalper. We're doing it over on Kick. By the way, do you have, what's his name in your profile picture? Is that, what's his name? No, never mind. I thought that was the fucking dude from London. The guy who crashed the market. Bum, 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 ba-da-da-dum, dum, dum, dum. All right, 14 seconds left to predict. How many channel points are in the pool here? All right, that's better. 55,000 channel points in the pool here. You make wine? That's crazy. Yeah. The Grok AI. Yeah, I'm thinking of the Navinder is who I'm thinking of. It looks like Navinder. The small version looks like Navinder. All right, here we go. There are 68,000 channel points in the pool. 55% voted on tails. 45% said heads. Here we go. Good luck. Tails again. Sorry, heads betters. All right, I feel bad. It's got to go heads once, right? I feel bad. I'll do one more. This is the last one for real now. This is the last one. Don't bet all your channel points, dudes. Yeah, Navinder is who I'm talking about, GK. This is the last one, though. Triple tails? You guys are bold if you go for triple tails. I would pick... I don't know, though, actually. Could easily go tails again. Anything can happen. How do I end up streaming for almost 3 hours tonight? Wow. Another 4,300 on GC? You on those longs there, Papa? Navinder was sick, dude. That guy is so dope. I hope that he's super rich now. Didn't Trader Dante, Tom Dante, didn't he sit next to Navinder or something? Didn't he have like history with Navinder or something? 300 on GC. Well, it's very good, man. All right, here we go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and how many channel points are in the pool? 43,000. Here we go. Wow, tails, 3 in a row. All right, guys. Sorry, you heads betters. God, you guys are sick. Who got 3 in a row? Drop a dub if you got 3 in a row. I'm curious. Anybody actually get 3 in a row? Frickin' Devs trades, you gangster. Gangster, gangster, gangster. Cut it quick, grinding back to break even. There you go. All right, well, that's gonna be my night. I'm gonna be back live again. To everybody on YouTube, on Kick, on X, thank you so much for joining us for the GLOBEX stream tonight. I was very tired, so, you know, I did what I could with the energy I had. We made $913 times 5. What is that? 4,500. We only won tonight. I have these this alpha funded account. I should probably trade this at some point, but one contract is the max. Can you trade gold on alpha futures? I don't think you can. I'm in Las Vegas, Sinister Scalper. I'm in beautiful Las Vegas. We're going to be doing a Las Vegas meetup here for all the ripsters. All right, everybody, be good. I love y'all. Take care. I'll see you folks bright and early tomorrow, 8 o'clock in the morning, Eastern time, 5 a.m. Pacific. I'll see you there. Take care. Bye-bye. See you.